In this video I'm going to show you how to block someone on Telegram mobile app. So let's get started. First open the app. Then go here, click on these three horizontal lines. Choose contact. Now we have one contact here. Click on it. Then click on his profile picture or name. And next click here on these three dots. And now you can block user. Click on it and just click block user. I'm gonna show you one more time how to do it. It's really simple and easy, so let's get started. Telegram, three horizontal lines, contact, click on your contact, then click on his profile picture or name, three dots in the corner, right top corner, and then click block user and click block user again. And that's it. This is how can you block users on Telegram mobile app. Guys, thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, and if you want to support this channel, subscribe to the channel, and see you later. Goodbye.